Hi everybody, how you doing today? Is it morning? Yeah, it's still morning in Oklahoma. Good morning everybody. Anthony Perica, thanks for subscribing. 120 subscribers already. Subscribers. I don't know why I keep doing that, but thank you for that. I appreciate it. Well, let's talk about the GLOCK pistol. Mine particularly is a GLOCK 19. A Gen 3. You can see that right there. I have a Solo Fish tactical light that I got from Temu. I bought this gun in Homestead, Florida at I want to say Action Arms, but that's here in Oklahoma. But I got it used, $420 plus tax, and it's really good, shoots really well. I'm really happy with it. Next thing I'm going to get is my threaded barrel for it. Anyways, I want to talk to you about magazines. What kind of magazines do you guys like? Here's just a standard GLOCK magazine, as you can see. And I put the extension on it. This is a Pierce. This is a Pierce extension. GLOCK makes them, but they're really kind of hard to find in stores. They go with the aftermarket ones. This one's been pretty good. I put one on a original 98 GLOCK clip that had the U imprinted on here, and it popped off. But anyway, that's okay. But sometimes I prefer the smaller ones, and it does stick out a little bit because for a GLOCK 17. It has 17 rounds in it. And I put the extension on it, and it gives me 2 extra rounds, so there's 19 rounds in here. I can actually stick 20 in these. It's not good to do that because of the stress, but that's that one. And then I went to Action Arms here in Homestead and got the big sticks. When I could have went to the GLOCK store, but why pay shipping and all that stuff? I just go there, I picked up 3 of them. They were 35 bucks a piece, and I'm pretty happy with it. But I like these. It's the big sticks, 33 rounds. It has the extra extension. It would be a 31 round clip, I believe. But I'm using federal law enforcement, 147 grain, and it does stick out the bottom a little bit. But when your gun is made into full auto, like this one should be, with a GLOCK switch, and be legal for me, I'm a law-abiding citizen. Anyways, let me know what you guys feel about your magazines or clips for your pistols. Let me know. Thanks, guys.